Hello, I want to give you a quick tutorial on the Entrepreneurs Arcana digital tarot deck for business owners. And this is the tarot deck, and it has 3 different views. The first view is by suit. So you can see they're arranged by the major arcana and then the minor arcana suits. You have to scroll down to the bottom to be able to scroll over. So there are all of the suits. And I would use this view if you wanted to learn more about a card, or if you had a physical deck and you did a pull and you wanted to see the interpretations in this specific deck. So let's say you pulled the star in a physical deck, or you were learning about it in a book, or you just wanted to write some notes in it. That's another way you can use this deck. You can click in here, and then you will see the card, and it has the meaning. And in this one, it says the star is a card of hope and healing. If you've been struggling or feeling like you're walking through a dark night in your business, this card is here to reassure you that there is hope. Let yourself drink the nourishing waters of belief that things are going to be okay. And then reversed, open your eyes to the hope and healing that is available to you. You are resisting this divine help, but it is here for you whenever you are ready to accept it. And in this view, all of the cards are going to be the upright. So this button will not be clicked, and it just says the card name. Down here, you can see the suit, the number correlation, the astrology connection, and this is the picture on the back. And then the randomizer is usually hidden, but that is what allows the deck to be shuffled in the next view. And if you scroll down, you can see the full-size card so that you can look at it and connect to it with your intuition. And for example, let's say you pulled this card and it really helped you feel better. Something you could do is you could write, come here and look at this card when you feel like you don't have hope. So you could write notes to yourself down below. And I'm going to go to the next view now. So the next view is do a pull. In this view, you will only see the backs of the deck. And this is auto shuffled once a minute. So it is really like using a real tarot deck. And you would just connect to your intuition, click on a card, and then it will pull up the card that you clicked. Now you can see the card I pulled was the 5 of Pentacles reversed. So in this case, you will read the reversed meaning, which in this one says you are feeling less scarcity than you did before. You are able to look around you and see all of the resources available to you. You are going to be okay. So some of the cards are more positive, upright, and less so reversed. This one specifically is actually more positive when it is reversed. And the reason I have both upright and reversed is to simulate it being as much like a real tarot deck as possible. And I included both meanings on all the cards so that you can see what it would be flipped around, because that can help with your interpretation. And again, here we have the full, beautiful card. The third view is just the grid view. Right here, I have it sorted to only show the cups, to show you that you can use this to filter and only see certain cards. So let's say you only wanted to see the kings. You could then say, I'm going to add a filter, and it is going to be the number correlation. And the kings are all 14s. So I'm going to click 14. And now I can see temperance and all the kings. And that's kind of cool also, because then you can see, oh, okay, if temperance is the 14th in the major arcana and the kings are the 14th in each suit, let's see what they have in common. So that is a way that you can make connections between the cards as well. And if you want to clear the filters, you can just unclick it and then press delete filter. And these are filters I had put on here before. So you can delete all the filters, and that is that view. But I think when I use this deck, I actually use this view the most. So the way that I use my Entrepreneurs Arcana deck is that when I am feeling a little bit lost in my business, or I feel like I just need a little bit of support, I will pull this up either on my computer or on my phone, and I will pull up this view, do a pull, and I'll click on a card, and then I'll reflect on it and think about how it can help me in my business. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope you enjoy the deck.